Welcome to my channel Alien Signal. The Galactic Assembly had witnessed countless wars. Empires had risen and fallen. Entire star systems had burned beneath the fury of ancient civilizations. Species worshipped celestial beings, cosmic entities, and immortal gods whose powers stretched across dimensions. Nothing surprised the Assembly anymore. Or so they believed. The emergency session had been called without explanation. Representatives from over 4,000 intelligent species filled the colossal chamber orbiting the galactic core. At the center platform stood a single figure. Ambassador Veyron, the oldest diplomat in known space. A survivor of 6 galactic conflicts. A being who had personally negotiated peace between races that had hated each other for millions of years. The hall fell silent as Veyron slowly stepped forward. His silver scales reflected the starlight pouring through the transparent dome above. When he finally spoke, his voice carried an unusual tremor. "I am here to issue a warning." The delegates exchanged confused glances. "A warning?" From Veyron, the ancient diplomat continued. "Many of you have requested authorization to challenge humanity." Murmurs spread across the chamber. The growing power of humans had become a source of concern throughout the galaxy. In only 3 centuries, humanity had expanded from a primitive world to one of the most influential civilizations in existence. Their fleets protected trade routes. Their engineers solved impossible problems. Their scientists repeatedly broke the laws of known physics. Many species considered them arrogant, dangerous, unpredictable. And now several powerful empires wanted to bring humanity under control. Veyron looked around the room. "You believe humans are weak." The representatives nodded. Humans possessed no natural weapons. No claws. No venom. No biological armor. Compared to many galactic species, they appeared fragile. Veyron sighed. "That assumption will destroy you." The room became silent. "I have studied humanity for 200 years. I have witnessed something that none of you understand." He paused. "When humans break, reason dies." The delegates frowned. "What does that mean?" one demanded. Veyron closed his eyes. "It means there is a point beyond which humans cease being predictable." The holographic display behind him activated. Images appeared. Destroyed fleets. Burning worlds. Collapsed civilizations. The delegates stared in confusion. Those records belong to some of the most devastating conflicts in galactic history. "What does this have to do with humanity?" someone asked. Veyron opened his eyes. "Everything." The first image expanded. A massive war fleet. The Zal Dominion. Several delegates recognized the ancient empire immediately. It had once ruled nearly a quarter of the galaxy. They invaded humanity's colonies 140 years ago. The image shifted. Human evacuation vessels. Civilian transports. Destroyed hospitals. Burning settlements. The Dominion believed humans would surrender. More images appeared. Dead children. Ruined cities. Mass graves. The chamber grew uncomfortable. Veyron's voice darkened. "They killed 12 million civilians in the first month." Silence. Then humanity snapped. Nobody spoke. The holographic display changed again. Entire Dominion fleets vanished. Military worlds exploded. Supply networks collapsed overnight. The Dominion's AI systems turned against them. Secret weapons stations self-destructed. Star fortresses disappeared. The destruction spread like a plague. "What happened?" whispered a delegate. Veyron answered quietly. "Humanity stopped caring about survival." The room stared. "What?" The ambassador nodded. "They entered a psychological state unlike anything we had ever recorded." His claws trembled slightly. Every strategic model failed. The display revealed human warships. Damaged. Outnumbered. Charging directly into impossible battles. They fought knowing they would die. The delegates frowned. Many species fought bravely. That wasn't unique. Veyron shook his head. You misunderstand. A new image appeared. A human vessel accelerating toward a Dominion supercarrier. The crew disabled all escape systems. Gasps filled the hall. They intentionally trapped themselves on board. The ship struck the enemy vessel. Both disappeared in nuclear fire. The delegates stared. Veyron continued. Entire human fleets operated under the same logic. One representative finally understood. Fear entered his voice. They no longer valued their own lives. Veyron nodded slowly. Exactly. The chamber became deathly quiet. Because every military strategist knew the same truth. An enemy who fears death can be controlled. An enemy who welcomes death cannot. But that was only the beginning. Veyron activated another recording. This one caused several delegates to physically recoil. The image showed a giant celestial entity. A being worshipped as a god by hundreds of species. The Void Sovereign. A creature capable of consuming stars. Millions worshipped it. Entire religions revolved around its existence. It intervened during the Dominion War. The delegates stared. The Void Sovereign was considered invincible. Veyron continued. It attempted to stop humanity. The recording showed the enormous entity descending toward human space. Its presence distorted reality itself. Entire star systems trembled. Human fleets gathered. Tiny specks compared to the cosmic god. Everyone expected destruction. Instead, the humans attacked. The room erupted in disbelief. They attacked that. Veyron nodded. Every ship they possessed. The recording accelerated. For 14 days the battle continued. Human casualties climbed into the billions. Worlds burned. Fleets vanished. Still they attacked. Again, and again, and again. Then the impossible happened. The Void Sovereign retreated. The chamber exploded with shock. Retreated. A god. Veyron raised a hand. Do you know why? Nobody answered. Because humans did something the entity had never encountered. His voice became barely audible. They frightened it. Silence. Absolute silence. The delegates stared. A species frightening a god. Impossible. Yet the evidence hovered before them. The ambassador continued. The sovereign later revealed its reasoning. A recording began. The ancient entity's voice echoed through the chamber. I have consumed civilizations for eons. The delegates listened. I have witnessed courage, fear, pride, and hatred. The voice paused. But humanity showed something else. Another pause. They were willing to destroy reality itself if it meant stopping me. The recording ended. Nobody spoke. Veyron slowly looked around the room. That was the first time a cosmic entity voluntarily abandoned a conquest. The delegates felt uneasy. Very uneasy. But Veyron wasn't finished. His expression grew darker. Unfortunately, some beings failed to learn the lesson. The next image appeared. A golden world floating inside a dimensional rift. Many delegates immediately recognized it. The Celestial Dominion, home of beings worshipped as literal gods. Their technology allowed them to manipulate space, time, and matter. They considered themselves superior to all mortal species, including humans. They demanded Earth's surrender. Several delegates groaned. They knew this story. The Celestials had vanished. No one knew exactly why. Veyron nodded toward the image. The Celestials believed humanity's compassion was weakness. The recording shifted. Earth's leaders negotiating peacefully, offering compromises, seeking diplomacy. The Celestials mocked them. They destroyed colonies, enslaved civilians, executed diplomats. Still humanity sought peace. Then came the event historians called the breaking point. A human refugee vessel carrying 20,000 children was destroyed. Not by accident, intentionally. The chamber became silent once more. Veyron lowered his head. That was the moment. What happened? Someone whispered. The ambassador looked up. His eyes reflected old nightmares. Humanity snapped. The holographic display erupted with activity. Every human fleet mobilized simultaneously. Civilian industries transformed overnight. Factories produced warships 24 hours a day. Scientists released forbidden technologies. Military ice removed ethical restrictions. Experimental weapons entered service. The galaxy watched in horror. For the first time, humanity stopped holding back. The delegates observed battle after battle. Celestial worlds disappeared. Time manipulation networks collapsed. Dimensional fortresses exploded. Godlike beings died, one after another. The impossible became routine. The Celestials possessed powers beyond imagination. Humanity simply adapted. Every advantage the gods revealed became a weakness within days. Every weapon became obsolete. Every defense failed. It was as though humans evolved faster than reality itself. A delegate finally found his voice. How? Veyron answered immediately. Because humans possess the most dangerous ability in the known universe. The room waited. They learn. The delegates looked confused. That hardly seemed extraordinary. Veyron shook his head. No. His voice sharpened. You don't understand. He pointed toward the battlefield recordings. Most species evolve over millennia. Another image appeared. Human engineers modifying weapons between battles. Human scientists reverse engineering divine technology. Human soldiers developing new tactics in real time. Humans evolve during the fight. The chamber grew quiet. Veyron continued. Every defeat teaches them. Another image. Every failure improves them. Another image. Every tragedy hardens them. The room suddenly understood. Humanity's strength wasn't physical. It wasn't technological. It wasn't military. Their strength was adaptation. And adaptation without limits was terrifying. The ambassador turned off the display. Darkness filled the hall. For several moments nobody spoke. Finally a representative stood. If humanity is so dangerous, why are they peaceful now? An excellent question. Veyron smiled sadly. Because they choose to be. The delegates remained silent. The old diplomat folded his hands. Humanity understands the cost of war. He looked toward the stars beyond the dome. They know exactly what happens when they lose control. The room listened carefully. Every monument on Earth carries memories of conflict. Every generation teaches the next what hatred can create. Every child learns the consequences of violence. He paused. Peace is not humanity's natural state. The delegates stiffened. It is their daily decision. Nobody spoke. Because suddenly humanity's kindness seemed far more impressive. And far more frightening. Veyron took a deep breath. Then he delivered the warning that would become legendary throughout the galaxy. Humans are not dangerous because they are violent. The hall remained silent. They are dangerous because they spend every day choosing not to be. A chill spread through the delegates. The difference was enormous. Predators killed because it was their nature. Humans restrained themselves despite possessing the ability to become monsters. Veyron stepped away from the platform. But before leaving, he stopped. One final message remained. His voice echoed across the chamber. If a human offers peace, accept it. If a human offers mercy, value it. If a human offers friendship, protect it. The delegates listened carefully. Then his expression hardened. But if you ever push humanity beyond its breaking point. The ancient diplomat pointed toward the images of dead gods, shattered empires, and ruined civilizations. Pray. Silence. No one moved. No one breathed. Veyron's final words echoed through the assembly forever. Because when humans snap, no deity can save you. Years later, historians would record that meeting as one of the most important moments in galactic history. The planned invasions of human territory were cancelled. Military coalitions dissolved. Diplomatic treaties expanded. Trade flourished. Peace spread across regions that had once prepared for war. Not because the galaxy loved humanity. Not because they feared human fleets. But because they finally understood something far more important. Humanity's greatest weapon was not its technology. Not its armies. Not its intelligence. It was the terrifying truth hidden beneath every smile, every handshake, and every peaceful gesture. Humans possessed limitless fury, yet chose compassion. And every civilization in the galaxy silently agreed on one thing. The day humanity stopped making that choice would be the last day many gods ever saw. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more cinematic science fiction stories.